Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have what I'm going to describe as a blackout haul. I remember making this order, but I remember that I wanted two specific things that I saw on the site. And then I sort of just added a couple other things just to kind of make it worth shipping. These are things I knew I had warmed before and that I thought I remember liking, but I wasn't sure. So it's kind of, that's why I kind of call it a blackout haul, because when I got it, I'm like, why did I order these things? Okay, anyways, whatever. Blackout haul, we've all done it. We've all been there. So this is what's included when you open the package. I don't think I've ordered in such a long time. I don't think I've ever gotten one of these little new packages that she's doing. Remus is my sample. I feel like I've had Remus before. Isn't that the... No, that's Sirius. What is Remus? Maybe I've never had Remus before. Oh... I don't think I've ever had Remus. Oh yes, Remus is the one that I've kind of been looking at before, but I wasn't sure if I'd like it. I think it's got, the notes are like in the back of my head. It's like a apple, some sort of apple something or another. Oh, that one might be kind of nice. Okay. All right, so let me get into what I made. Let's just like pull out what I got the order for. So the first thing I got is Leprechaun. Now, Angie, formerly Wax Goddess, who is now Diabetic Dummy or Diabetic, I don't know. I don't even know what her name is. But it's Irish Springs, 4-leaf clover. I cannot read this. 4-leaf clover and white tea. I wish sometimes she would change the color to just like white so we could see what we're seeing here. Anyways, this scent is gorgeous. Angie kept telling me to order and I was like, no, I don't like white tea. But honestly, white tea is not what you smell. I'm guessing I'm smelling the 4-leaf clover and the Irish Springs. I actually think clover is an actual real scent. It's not just saying 4-leaf clover like to be cute or whatever. Like I think that's an actual scent because this doesn't smell like straight up soap to me either. Just smells really, really nice. So I knew I wanted that and I saw it on the site and I think it said like only 10 left or something. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to order it because I was craving it for some reason. I was really craving this scent. And then I also, this is probably going to show up in my favorites, is Raj. And this is another one that Angie had also talked about a lot. And I just never, I was like, whatever, cinnamon doesn't sound good to me whatsoever. But this one is frosted cinnamon rolls and pecan pie. And to me, the cinnamon rolls are so real smelling. Like they actually smell like the ones that you get out of the can. Like it's almost doughy. It almost has like a doughy scent to it. I would say cinnamon. Like I think it probably scares most people because of the cinnamon. And I would say don't be afraid of the cinnamon. I mean, it's definitely there, but it's a light bakery cinnamon. To me, it's more about the doughiness of it and the authenticity of it. It just smells really real to me. I like that one a lot. So those were the 2 scents. I went ahead and grabbed 2 of the Leprechaun because I figured, you know, I like that one enough to have 2. All right, so this one I had had before, and I think, I'm trying to remember who it is. Suzanne, is that right? Oh, I'm like squinting my eyes back here because I don't know if I have the right person. But I think you told me you liked this scent, and I really liked this one too. I was really surprised. This is Shampure Aveda, raindrops and cotton candy frosting. Yeah. This one I was surprised I actually liked. I had this one in my stash for a long time. I warmed it last year, I think, at the beginning of the year. And I really liked it. It reminds me a lot of Insidious with the cotton candy frosting for some reason. Because it's kind of like a... I don't know. It's kind of the same to me. They're similar in the way the cotton candy frosting contrasts with the Aveda scent, I think. So... yeah, I really like Flying Monkey quite a bit. I'll do a better review when I warm it, but I really like that one. So, okay, I did grab some new things. These 2, though, I have melted before, and I do remember liking them. I don't remember if I love them or not, but I like them. Oz, this one surprised me. So this one was ginger ale, key lime, custard, and birthday cake pie. Yeah. This one, for some reason, I don't remember why, it was just good. Now, someone in one of the wax band groups was saying that they absolutely, this smelled like vomit to them. And then there was 2 of us that were like, we really like that one, but I think someone else, so it was like half and half. 50% hated it, the other 50 liked it. I feel like if you like ginger ale scents, this one isn't like offensive as far as like the key lime. I need to warm this one again, but I do remember saying that I liked that one. I don't remember if it was a favorite or not, but I did like that one. The other one that I really liked, and this one was another one that surprised me, was Flame Princess. And this is tangerine, toasted marshmallow, and fizzy pop. And for some reason, this one, the toasted marshmallows, is what made it for me. It's just such a unique combination with fizzy pop for me. So I don't remember like why I loved this, but I just, for me, it was just great on warm. It doesn't like it, it is not my favorite on cold, but warm, I remember really liking it. This one is a new one, and I just happened to see it, and it had the black pepper and kind of the woodsy notes. So I was like, screw it, I'm gonna go ahead and try it. It has, this sounds like something I would like. Mossy birch, peppermint, sticks, and rain, and then the black pepper. So I was like, that sounds right up my alley. This is what the inside of the clamshell, I haven't been showing the inside of the clamshells, but you have failed this city. So this one, to me, you do get the peppermint. It doesn't seem to be that peppermint that I don't like that Brandy uses in some of her blends. It seems to be a little bit better than, like, Storm's Rain has that weird peppermint to me. I don't know. It just, maybe it's the blend altogether. I don't know. But yeah, this one smells mostly like a light peppermint. That's all I'm really getting right now. It's just like a subdued peppermint. Let me pull it out and see if I can smell the bottom. Okay, now on the bottom I do smell a little bit more of something else. It smells more spicy on the bottom, so we'll see. I might actually really like that one. That's a good bedroom melt, I bet. Okay, then I went ahead and I had not tried, I'd completely missed out on her Wonka scents, and she had them in the breakaway bars. Okay, one thing I want to say about these breakaway bars, so I did get the padded flat rate envelope thing, which was fine. You know, I didn't know or expect them to come like perfectly, but all I did was open this one. It had already split in half, which is fine. When I opened the bag though, the whole thing just like went to crumbles. So these aren't very sturdy at all. In fact, they're really, really thin, and like I could probably, yeah, I can break one with one hand. So they're not very sturdy. I was thinking online they looked like big like chocolate bars. So yeah, just be aware of that. If you like don't like your stuff broken, you won't like these. I don't mind because, you know, it's just breaking them up for me already. But it was funny, just when I like popped open the bag to smell this, the thing broke. I was like, okay. So I cannot read these at all. Like I wish you would fix the writing on these because it's hard to see. Chocolate amber, marshmallow cream, spun sugar, slight caramel drizzle, and vanilla confection. This sounded really good because of the amber and chocolate mixed together. So this is Wonka. And this one just smells so good to me. I was not interested at all when she debuted the Wonka scents. In fact, I don't even think I really looked. I just was kind of like, no. But this one, oh, with the amber. Oh, smells so good. It's sweet, but I smell the amber in there. That's a really great one. I love that. Okay, so Wonka might be pretty good for me. I need to warm it, but I like that so far on cold. This one I don't remember ordering. I think I wanted to try some of these, but I don't know. I want it now, and this is Salty Sea Air, Golden Sands, which is the Yankee dupe, and Hard Candies. So, let me see. Yeah, this one is good. I like this with the Salty Sea Air. This is pretty nice. There's another one she has, what is it, Mr. Gold, which is Golden Sands and Suntan Lotion that I really like too. So I do like Golden Sands. Mixed with Salty Sea Air, smells really good. I remember yesterday I was smelling the Hard Candies, but you know, again, on warm, everything changes. So we'll have to see. Okay, and the last one I grabbed is Augustus, and this is another one that just like, I do like chocolate scents surprisingly in wax. So actually this is chocolate orchid milk. I like, well, I thought I liked chocolate orchid. I think I do. Gosh, frosted sugar cookies and orange marmalade. Okay. Like it is impossible to read that unless like you're looking through the viewfinder, then you can see it a little bit better, but geez Louise. That needs to be like in white. This one is like a chocolate orange to me. And I feel like I've had it in like chocolates before, like when you buy like the C's candies at Valentine's Day and they always have the one that's like orange flavored. Am I thinking of the right thing? I feel like I've had like an orange chocolate before. That's what it smells like to me. I don't know that I'm gonna like the orange in there. We'll see. Again, the orange is pretty strong from what I'm smelling. Okay, so that was it. That was my blackout order. So I tried to be really conscious like of what I'm bringing in because I'm working really hard at decluttering. And yeah, I kind of ordered a few things I probably didn't need to, but I was just like, you know, since I'm ordering and I haven't ordered in a long time, let me just make it at least worth the padded flat rate envelope or whatever. And so, yeah, I've had a few orders that I've made that I'm kind of kicking myself for. It's like when you start the whole decluttering process, your mind starts to think a little bit different. Like you start to get into more of like, you don't want to bring anything else into your home because you've already gotten rid of so much, and you realize how much money you've wasted on things. And so you really start to become a little bit more conscious about what you're putting your money towards and what you're spending it on, and is this going to be wasted in a year, or you know, that kind of thing. So just something to think about. So I do have a couple more wax orders that I have made. I know they're small though. They're like, I kept it within boundaries, you know, I'm not doing like huge VCS orders anymore or anything like that. So, all right, that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be back with, what do I have? A Lush haul? Yeah, I think, yeah, Lush haul. Okay, talk to you guys in a little bit. Bye.